Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is today's tip of the day. Today, I just want you to show you a simple way on how you can do some soft tissue mobilization. If you don't have anybody who can do massage on your back, on your upper back, these will come in handy. Now, this is just a rubber bouncy ball, and then this one is a tennis ball. So now, let me show you how to use this. What I want you to do is you can use, you have your back against the wall, and you can use a bouncy ball or a tennis ball and put it here on the upper back, which is where we usually have a lot of spasm or knots and causing some pain. That pain can actually even cause headaches or neck pains or even some mid-back pain. Now, what I want you to do is you can put it there in the muscle and then kind of roll it around and see where you have that knot or that point where you have pain. And then let's say if it's in this area, and just put some weight on it, okay? You can use a tennis ball like this. It's bigger. This one will be more appropriate for me. So let's say I put it here and I feel like that's a spot where I have a knot. So I can actually put it there and then just put my weight on it. And what you want to do is you want to hold it for 30 or even 60 seconds. What will happen is with the constant pressure there, the muscle will slowly relax. And you're gonna notice also that the pain goes down after a while. So it's like melting away the pain. So I want you to do that, and then you can roll to the next area where you have the next tender spot there, and then hold it again for a period of time. All right, you can do several spots at the same time until you feel that you have less pain. You'll feel lighter afterwards. And then of course, you do it on the same side, on the opposite side rather, so that you feel them more even. All right, so I hope that helps and save you a trip of going to the massage place, and you can just do it in the comfort of your own homes. If you like this, just feel free to share with your friends, family, and everyone you know, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.